We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty steam cleaner. List number 1. MCCULLOCH M1275 Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner. Providing 1500 watts of steam power, the M1275 Heavy-Duty Steam Cleaner requires no chemicals and is easy to use. Ideal for cleaning and detailing cars, trucks, motorcycles, or boats, the cleaner removes grease and grime from engines, wheels, and chrome accessories. It also works well for removing stuck-on dirt from the BBQ grill, patio furniture, or garage. The steam-ready light indicates when the unit is ready to use, and a steam control switch provides control over the amount of steam coming from the unit. List number 2. DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner. The Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for performance, ease of use, and durability, this steam cleaner delivers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains while eliminating 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold, and other undesirables from any type of floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms, and more. List number 3. BISSELL Power Steamer. Powerful, high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grime, grease, stains, and mold across a wide variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. For use in garage and workshop areas, interior and exterior of autos, boats, ATVs, and recreational vehicles, windows, outdoor patio furniture and decks, and all sealed hard floor surfaces. 3-in-1 heavy-duty multi-purpose steam cleaner. The upright steam cleaner transforms into both an extended reach steam cleaner and a handheld steam cleaner. List number 4. COSTWAY 2000W Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The 2000W Steam Cleaner features high steam temperature up to 226 degrees for deep cleaning. Besides, the work pressure of the steam up to 4 bar, so it can easily removes all kind of dirt in various surface and making the room cleaner. The steam cleaner need preheating 5 to 6 minutes before using, and with 1.5 L 51 oz water tank, the steam cleaner can work for 30 to 45 minutes according to steam rate. Besides, the red LED will light when there is water shortage. List number 5. HAPYVERGO High Pressure Steam Cleaner. The steam cleaner for home use has a built-in 4-foot water inlet hose, which can insert into the external bucket as a water source, which can generate continuous and steady natural steam. No need to hold heavy and bulky tank on hand. The high-temperature steam will be ready in 20 seconds, up to 230, melting the greasy dirt and clean with the power of 3.5 bar pressurized steam. Integrated ABS carrying case can bear up to 300 tons.